Hello Tech Explorers, want to transfer ownership of your Telegram group? No worries, I got you. In just few steps, you will make someone else the owner. Let's go. First, open Telegram and go to the group chat where you want to change the owner. Now, tap on the group name at the top to open the group settings. Next, tap on the pencil icon at the top right. This will take you to the group's editing options. Scroll down and tap on Administrators and go to Add Admin. Now, find the person you want to make the new admin and tap on their name. Telegram will ask for some settings. Set it up and tap Save. Once confirmed, the new person will now be admin. Have you ever managed a Telegram group? How was your experience? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.